Hey everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Instaboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
15% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving away 1,100 orbs. But first, enable your VPN and change your location to the US. If you don't want to do it and think your account will be banned, you don't have to do it, nobody's forcing you. The first quest is from Evil Dead Burn movie. It's a horror movie clip by the looks of it. It's ending on May 13th, so do it quick. The second quest is from the Odyssey. Now this is a big deal. Why? Because Discord has been promoting this collab pretty hard on their Instagram. Then we got our good old Game of Thrones. This is also ending on May 13th, so make sure to do it quick. Then it's Everything Crabs. This one is ending on May 22nd. And last but not least, we have Microsoft Azure Quest, which is ending on the 1st of June. In total, you will get 1,100 orbs. All the quests links will be available in the video's description. You just need to open it and then enter its description. Make sure to enable your VPN and change the location to the US before opening the links. Now there's a reason why I mentioned free Nitro in the thumbnail. You see, after claiming all the 1,100 orbs, I have a total of 61,700 orbs. I'm sure most of you won't be down to like 0 orbs. I'm sure you already have some orbs from the past. You can use it to get your 3 days Nitro. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button now.